It saddens me that some of you folks out there, after you get arrested, are getting piss poor legal advice from your friends. And I know your friends mean well, and I know that my little video channel is supposed to be all rainbows and kittens, and my web people are gonna get upset that I need to bring some harsh truth to this little conversation here because your friends are misleading you. And I wanna talk about some of the big ones that I hear, and it needs to stop. First of all, this myth that you're a first offender, everything will be okay as a first offender, you don't need a lawyer. Not true. Jeffrey Dahmer was a first offender. There's people in prison, many people in prison who are first offenders, folks. Please do not assume that you don't need to defend your case and you can just lay in the road and wait for the government to run over you because you're a first offender. Not so. Don't listen to your friend. I'm sorry. They're wrong on this one. Another bit of bad advice from your friend is, well, this is a minor case. Just go ahead and plea and get it over with. No, don't do that. Please don't do that. I know that some of these things seem minor and you just want to throw yourself at the mercy of the court and go ahead and plea and get it over with, but that is a bad idea on a lot of different levels. I remember we had this judge up in Lake County, and thank God she's not on the county court bench doing these driving while license suspendeds anymore. But if you went in there on a driving while license suspended and just said, oh, judge, yeah, I'm guilty of driving on a suspended license, you went to jail for 30 days. 30 days jail for driving on a suspended. And that was bad friend advice. Oh, it's no big deal. This is minor. Just go in there and get it over with. Don't do that. Please don't do that. Another bad bit of advice from your friends, bless their heart for watching all those crime docs. I watch those crime docs too. I love them, but there's not good legal advice in crime docs. They're just entertaining. And one of the things I keep hearing time and time again is, I wasn't read my Miranda rights, so my case should be dismissed, right? Isn't that a good thing that I wasn't read my Mirandas? No, it's not. It probably doesn't matter. Don't quote me on that. But the vast majority of the time that you are not read your Mirandas, it doesn't make a darn bit of difference. So your friend thinks that your case will be dismissed and it was a big deal that you weren't read your Mirandas. I'm telling you, after 31 years of defending cases here in Central Florida, it doesn't mean anything. So just put that aside. And eventually, folks, you gotta get some good legal advice because you're in trouble, you're in criminal trouble. There are professionals that handle this sort of thing. Give our office a call if you're in trouble here in Central Florida. We'd love to help you out. If you're just watching this, just you want to hear some knowledge, I watch a lot of stuff. I want to hear some knowledge too. If you could do us a little favor, there's buttons on the screen. If you could push the positive buttons, not the thumbs down, but the thumbs up or the heart or the like or the subscribe, all of them, all the positivity buttons that these big corporations want to put on your screen, I'd love to see them from you. And I appreciate you watching. Please take care of yourself.